And we're back to CapCut, once more motion tracking. When I was asked if this motion tracking only works for inbuilt objects, for stickers, text and stuff like this, it doesn't. You can actually import images. Let me, for example, use one of my logos. I'll just add this, make sure it's on top of the footage, and I size it a little bit down. I want it to follow the boat. It's just an example. As I've said, you can import any image that you like and add this motion tracking effect. Just resize it in the timeline so that it is as long as your clip. Then make sure it's selected, so left click on it in the timeline and then use tracking right here. And the motion tracking is still available. Click on motion track and then this yellowish box appears and you can reposition that onto the boat, in this case, so the object that moves. I don't want to have it scaling up, so I uncheck this box and then I use start. It's going to get processed. And in this case, it hasn't done a bad job. Not perfect, but not bad either. If you're not happy with the results, you can do it manually. This is also available to every image that you import. Just make sure once again that it's selected in the timeline. Then go to tracking and none to remove the tracking. And now we'll go to video basic. And under position, we want to start an animation. Just go to the start. Then left click on this diamond icon and then use the arrow keys to the right. For example, 15 times, which means 15 frames. And then left click drag to reposition the logo, the image element in the preview window according to the movement of your object, in this case the boat. And you can see this creates new keyframes automatically and therefore we'll get an animation. You can also see that on the right, so there is no bluish turquoise diamond. But when I move that around, so our logo in the preview window is going to get filled with this turquoise color. In the end position, I want to have it fade out. Let us do that manually. So what I simply use is the opacity. I go a little bit back to where we can see the boat again. And then I want to start an animation here as well. Let me maybe go to this position right here. I'll left click on the diamond icon. It's at 100%. I go to the end. And now I drag the opacity to 0. A new keyframe is added and now it fades. Let me roll the clip. And here you go, the image now follows the boat and then fades out in the end. And that's all there is to it. This is how you can add a motion track effect to non-stickers to every element in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.